Nandish Bhushan says, I'm doing my master's in business analytics, but the course has a lot of data science. Give me just a second. A lot of data science subjects as well. Can you suggest projects that I should do? Um, so, Nandish, one of the things that I really hesitate to do is I hesitate to give project ideas, because coming up with your own projects is an excellent way for you to exercise your creativity and also to demonstrate some of your interests, right? Because hopefully you'd be picking projects of things that ultimately interest you, right? So I usually don't give ideas. I'd rather give you encouragement to kind of think about how to come up with your own ideas. More specifically, I did do a class. If you go back to my YouTube is Data Science with Dennis. You can find my live stream from July 3rd. And that's where I walked everyone on how I approach a new project and come up with ideas. So in that particular scenario, I found a news article about a financial research study that interested me. I went and I found the study. The study published its raw data, and I went and I used the raw data to create a project idea, right? So that's the basic framework I lay out for people, and that's really the most I'm willing to do. Every once in a while on Instagram, I'll post an example of an article that I like, that when I was doing this, when I was building my portfolio, that I would have written on. I also do that in the Discord if you want to join the Discord. But I try to guide people in that way, but ultimately the project should come from you, because this is how you will distinguish yourself in the job search, in your job, in your advancement, right? I mean, this is how data scientists differentiate each other, right? So I'm actually getting ready to do a piece of content about that, about how, don't become a code robot, don't become a math robot, because when you do that, you become one of many, right? You stand out with your projects, with the research that you choose to do. So stay alert, keep on reading, know what your interests are. Maybe maybe you have a favorite hobby or something else, and then you find an article related to that hobby, turn that into a data science project, right? When you start doing that, now you're not just developing your skills, but you're developing something you can add to your portfolio and be unique, right? Now you can point to something that sets you apart from other candidates, other students, other colleagues that you might want to get promoted over, right? So this is going to be something you're always going to do, and that's why I don't want to take away that opportunity for you to be creative by giving you an idea, okay? So I hope that helps you, Nandish. Danny Angelinos asks, are these questions coming from YouTube, Twitch, or Discord, or where?